Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out this jewelry box, Vriua. Not sure how to say that, so I'm not gonna butcher it, but we're gonna go ahead and see what's in here. So first and foremost, this is like faux leather or something like that. You know, really beautiful texture on this box. So here we have the little pouch. So this is like a choker necklace kind of thing. Got a little thank you card. That's cute. Interesting that this doesn't come in the actual pouch. But the pouch is for you to store it. As you can see, little diamonds, or fake diamonds, cubic zirconia all the way around. Got the clasp, adjustable clasp. Go ahead and just try this on. Let's see how tight it can go, and then we'll see how loose it can go. So this is gonna be the tightest setting. Not bad at all. I thought that it would be more like up there as more of a choker. Yeah, let's showcase the bling bling on the outside. There we go. So super shiny, really cute, a nice elegant piece of jewelry that can really be paired with anything. Let's do a little bit looser. Yeah, so it hangs down to about here. Tighter would be here, and then it's about like an inch differentiation. But either way, you know, it's interesting because I feel like it doesn't stay with the bling side up. Bling side is like downward. So that's quite an interesting detail. So you can see, you know, kind of gold, more gold on this side, bling on this side. So it kind of like changes depending on like, you know, the direction that you're like looking at. I do like that it comes with this little pouch that's super duper soft and fuzzy. So, you know, great for traveling and or gifting. Let me know in the comments, would you purchase this necklace? Let me know why or why not. If you do want to purchase it, it's also in the description below. So check it out. And if you like product unboxings and unopenings, I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.